Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can set up recurring sales invoice on Xero. To set up recurring sales invoice, we need to go to invoice section under business. From here, we have two options how to set up recurring invoice. Either we can convert one of existing invoices to recurring or repeating invoice, or we can click on this drop-down list and select new repeating invoice and add completely new recurring invoice. All recurring invoices will show up under this tab where is written repeating. So let's select one of the invoices from my currently available invoices and convert to a recurring sales invoice. So for example, I have John invoice here, and I want to set up as a recurring invoice, then I need to click on invoice options and click on repeat. From here at the top section, we will be able to select frequency of this invoice, so how often it needs to be created. At the very top, there is icon where we can add support files, either letter or contract, that can be added there. And then we need to start to figure out how often this recurring sales invoice should be taking place. So for example, in my case, this should recur or repeat every 1 month. You have an option to select weeks as well if you wish to send invoice every week out. Select an invoice date, so I will select 1st July, and due date, either immediately, then you can select 0, or if you give 7 days payment terms after invoice date, then select this one. Otherwise, select one which is applicable to this particular recurring invoice. If there is an end date, select an end date. Otherwise, you can leave blank. And then we need to decide what we want to do with this recurring invoice. Either it needs to be created as and saved as a draft, need to be as a status approved, or approved for sending. In my case, I will keep as a save as a draft. Invoice to John, and reference can be added if you have reference number, then you can provide it there. And if you want to opt for e-payments, you can set up e-payments there as well. If you want to change anything, change here. So for example, I will select 15 and 15, so it's been 30 bars. And if you need to add additional lines, click on add a new line or select how many rows you need to add it. Click save, and this will create a recurring sales invoice. So under repeating, there is John's sales invoice provided there. If you need to delete it, select it and click delete. So this is a way how we can convert from existing sales invoice. So if we need to add a completely new recurring invoice, click on new repeating invoice and fill in details. The same way, adding support documents, recurring every week, invoice starting from 1st July in my case, and this is due 0 days after the invoice date. Okay, end date, I will give end of September, save as draft, invoice to Lucy, so agreement number here, item, I will select from my item list or new can be added, and if I need to add any notes, I can add notes there, otherwise can cancel and click save. So there is another line for Lucy under recurring invoices. So this is a way how you can set up recurring sales invoices, either from already issued invoice or completely from scratch. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.